Hmm. Hmm.
Watermelon keeps me and my baby hydrated. Green tea is okay, but only in limits. Good fats help baby brain. Eating coconut in pregnancy? It's not just for the mom. The baby calms right down and even gets a little energy glow. See, the baby is reacting to the good stuff.